fall, or autumn.
In fall season, leaves turn orange and start falling from trees. Spring.
In spring season, flowers start blooming and trees grow new leaves. Spring is beautiful.
Summer.
Summer is the season between spring and autumn when the weather is usually warm or hot.
Winter.
Winter is the season between autumn and spring when the weather is usually cold.
Beach.
Beach is the land alongside the sea. Kids enjoy building sandcastles on the beach.
Desert.
Desert is a sandy area with no water or trees.
Grass.
Grass is a plant which has large numbers of thin, spiky, green leaves that cover the surface of the ground.
Island.
An island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water.
Lake.
A lake is a large body of fresh water, surrounded by land.
Waterfall.
A waterfall is a place where water flows down from a high cliff in hills or mountains, and falls into a pool below.
Sea.
The sea is the salty water that covers about 3/4 of the Earth's surface.
Tree.
A tree is a tall plant that has a hard trunk, branches, and leaves. Leaf.
The leaves of a tree or plant are the parts that are flat, thin, and usually green. Many trees lose their leaves in fall and grow new ones in spring.
Mountain. A mountain is a very high area of land with steep sides. River. A river is a large amount of fresh water flowing continuously in a long line across the land.